Some countries fly almost exactly the same flag. Sometimes that is pure coincidence. Sometimes they were once a single country, and sometimes one of them copied the other on purpose. 35 look-alike pairs, and every one of them has a reason. Here comes round one. The differences are still big enough to count. 6 out of 7 unlocks the rookie medal. Italy! One of these is Mexico. The difference is the eagle in the middle. Option A was the right one. Here is the story. Italy and Mexico both copied the French tricolor, then swapped blue for green. Morocco! Vietnam is in here too. It comes down to the color of the star. The correct flag was C. Want to know why? Morocco's green star is an interlaced pentagram, the seal of Solomon, added back in 1915. Sweden! Careful, Finland is right beside it. Look for the color of the cross. Did you pick option A? Here is the story. Every Nordic flag copies the off-center cross of Denmark's Dannebrog, first flown in 1219. Japan! You are looking at Bangladesh as well. The giveaway is where the circle sits. Letter B! Here is the reason. Bangladesh shifts its red disc towards the mast so it looks scented once the flag flies. Vietnam! China is one of the other two. It is all about how many stars there are. Option C was the right one. Here is the story. Both took the red field and yellow star of communism. Vietnam in 1945 and China 4 years later. Liberia! One of these is the USA. The difference is the number of stars. The answer is letter A. Here is the reason. Liberia was founded by freed American slaves, so in 1847 it copied the Stars and Stripes. Denmark! Switzerland is in here too! It comes down to the shape of the flag. Letter B. Here is why. Switzerland is one of only 2 square national flags on Earth, alongside Vatican City. That is round 1 cleared. 6 out of 7 or better, and the rookie medal is yours. Which pair has fooled you the longest? Tell me below before the identical ones arrive. Round 2, and the pairs get closer. Same colors, wrong order. Land 5 of these 7 for the challenger medal. Bulgaria! Careful, Hungary is right beside it. Look for the order of the stripes. C is correct. Want to know why? Bulgaria swapped Russia's blue for green in 1879, landing on Hungary's colors by accident. Lithuania! You are looking at Bolivia as well. The giveaway is which stripe is on top. Yes, it's B. Here is the reason. Lithuania's yellow, green, and red is Bolivia's flag upside down by pure coincidence. Guinea! Mali is one of the other 2. It is all about the order of the 3 stripes. The correct flag was B, and the reason? Guinea and Mali fly the same 3 stripes, reversed, both from the Pan-African colors. Poland! One of these is Indonesia. The difference is which color is on top. That's option A. Here is the story. Poland flies white above red, and Indonesia and Monaco fly exactly the opposite. Ireland! Ivory Coast is in here too. It comes down to which side the green is on. Letter A. And this is why. Ireland and Ivory Coast are exact mirrors of each other, and neither copied the other. Ghana! Careful, Ethiopia is right beside it. Look for the black star. That's C. Here is why. Ghana took Ethiopia's colors in 1957 to honor the one African state Europe never held. Belgium! You are looking at Germany as well. The giveaway is whether the stripes stand or lie. The answer is letter A. Here is the story. Belgium stacks black, yellow, and red upright, while Germany lays the same 3 flat. Round 2 survived. 5 or more of the 7 locks in the challenger medal. If you are still spotting them, hit like. The last round is the one nobody clears. On to round 3. Identical flags, except one of them carries a crest. 5 correct out of 7, and you take the specialist medal. Costa Rica! Thailand is one of the other 2. It is all about the width of the middle band. Option A it is. Here is why. Costa Rica added its red stripe in 1848, 70 years before Thailand added its blue one. Egypt. One of these is Iraq. The difference is what sits in the white band. The answer is C. And the reason? Egypt's Eagle of Saladin spread across the Arab world after the revolution of 1952. El Salvador. Nicaragua is in here too. It comes down to the emblem in the middle. B it is. Here is why. 5 states kept the blue and white of Central America's federation after it broke up in 1841. Moldova. Careful, Romania is right beside it. Look for the eagle in the center. The answer is B. Here is the story. Moldova adds an eagle to Romania's tricolor, and the two countries share a language. Guatemala! You are looking at Nicaragua as well. The giveaway is the way the stripes run. Letter A is correct. And the reason? Guatemala turned the Central American blue and white sideways, the only one of 5 to do so. Tunisia! Turkey is one of the other 2. It is all about the white circle behind the crescent. The answer is B. Want to know why? Tunisia was an Ottoman province, so it kept the empire's crescent inside a white disc. Ecuador. One of these is Colombia. The difference is the coat of arms. That's B. And this is why. Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela were a single country until 1831, so they kept one flag. Into round 3. Hit 5 out of 7 and you just took the specialist medal. Send this to the friend who swears they know every flag. Round 4. The gap is shrinking. Now it comes down to a single stripe or a single star. Nail 4 of the 7 to claim the elite champion medal. Senegal. Mali is in here too. It comes down to a single green star. The answer is C. Here is why. Senegal and Mali were one federation in 1960, and only Senegal's star survived the split. Uruguay. Careful, Argentina is right beside it. Look for the stripes beside the sun. The correct flag was B, and this is why. Uruguay kept Argentina's Son of May after breaking away from the same river republic. Austria! You are looking at Latvia as well. The giveaway is the width of the white band. Option A was the right one. And the reason? Austria's 3 bands are equal, while Latvia's white stripe is half as wide and darker red. Norway. Iceland is one of the other 2. It is all about which color the cross is. C is correct. Here is why. Norway and Iceland are the same Nordic design with the red and the blue swapped over. India. One of these is Niger. The difference is what the circle is made of. Letter A. Here is the reason. India's circle is a wheel with 24 spokes, while Niger's is simply the Sahara sun. Qatar. Bahrain is in here too. It comes down to how many points the edge has. C it is. Here is why. Bahrain cut its serrated edge to 5 points in 2002 so it could be told apart from Qatar. Australia! Careful, New Zealand is right beside it. Look for 2 extra stars. B is correct. Here is the story. Australia flies 6 white stars, where New Zealand flies only 4, and hers are red. Round 4 finished. 4 or more from 7 earns you the Elite Champion Medal. Round 5. These are the ones nobody can separate. Get 3 of the 7 and the Genius Medal is yours. Monaco. You are looking at Indonesia as well. The giveaway is the shape of the flag itself. Did you pick C? Want to know why? Monaco and Indonesia fly the identical flag, and only the proportions tell them apart. Luxembourg. The Netherlands is one of the other 2. It is all about a lighter shade of blue. It's B, and this is why. Luxembourg shared a king with the Netherlands, and its blue simply stayed a lighter shade. Andorra. One of these is Moldova. The difference is the coat of arms in the middle. The correct flag was C. Here is the reason. Andorra and Moldova hang different arms on what is otherwise the very same tricolor. Chad! Romania is in here too. It comes down to one shade of blue. Letter A is correct. Want to know why? Chad complained to the United Nations in 2004, and Romania refused to change a thing. Liechtenstein! Careful, Haiti is right beside it. Look for a small gold crown. The correct flag was option A, and the reason Liechtenstein met Haiti's identical flag at the 1936 Olympics and added a crown afterward. Slovakia! You are looking at Slovenia as well. The giveaway is what the shield shows. That's C. Want to know why? Slovak and Slovenian diplomats once met monthly at the UN to swap misdelivered mail. Cuba! Puerto Rico is one of the other two. It is all about which color the triangle is. Option B was the right one. Here is why. Cuba and Puerto Rico swapped each other's colors, drawn by the same independence movement. Round 5 done. 3 or more out of 7 and the Genius Medal is on your shelf. That is every lookalike on the list. Coincidence, shared history, or a straight copy? And now you know the reason behind each one. Tell me in the comments which pair caught you out, and I will see you in the next one.